Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Mexican-style enchiladas. First, gather your ingredients, including dried chilies for the sauce, fresh tortillas, and your choice of filling like shredded chicken or cheese. We'll start by rehydrating the chilies to create a rich, flavorful sauce that forms the heart of this classic dish. This foundational step ensures your enchiladas have that authentic, deep flavor. Next, we'll focus on the star of the show, the red chili sauce. After rehydrating your dried chilies, blend them with aromatics like garlic and onion, then simmer until thickened. For the filling, shred cooked chicken or crumbled cheese. You can also use a combination. Season it well to complement the sauce, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Now for assembly. Briefly dip each tortilla in your warm chili sauce to soften it, making it pliable and easy to roll. Place a generous amount of your prepared filling down the center, then roll it up tightly. Arrange the rolled enchiladas seam side down in a baking dish. Cover with more sauce and cheese, then bake until golden and bubbly. Your delicious Mexican enchiladas are ready. Garnish them with your favorite toppings, such as a drizzle of Mexican crema, crumbled cottage cheese, or finely diced white onion and cilantro. Serve them hot and fresh for the ultimate comfort food experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.